In this video, I'll guide you through how to download responses in Microsoft Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option does, and how to save a copy of your data to your computer so you can work with it in Excel or share it with others. First, make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account and that you've already created the form whose responses you want to download. From the main Microsoft Forms homepage, look for your form in the list of available forms. Click on the form's title to open it. This takes you into the editing and management view where you can see your questions, settings, and importantly, your responses. Once your form is open, look toward the top of the screen for the responses area. Depending on your version, this might appear as a responses tab or as a section next to questions. Click on that. This is where you'll see a summary of how many responses you've received, along with charts or basic stats for each question. Now, within this responses view, you'll find an option that connects your form to Excel. Usually you'll see a button or a drop-down labeled something like Open in Excel. This is the key tool for getting your results out of Microsoft Forms and into a spreadsheet format. Go ahead and click on that drop-down or button. Here, you have two main ways to download your responses. The first method is the most direct. Under the drop-down for Open in Excel, look for an option that says something like Download a Copy. When you choose this, Microsoft Forms will generate a file, typically an Excel workbook, that contains all your current responses in a table format. Your browser will then prompt you to save or open the file. Select a location on your computer where you'll remember it, such as your Downloads folder or a specific project folder, and confirm the download. If you prefer, or if your interface looks slightly different, you can use the second method, which starts by actually opening the data in Excel first. Click Open in Excel. Depending on your settings, your browser may either download the file immediately and open it in Excel, or it might ask whether you want to open or save the file. Choose to open it in Excel. Once the workbook is open, you'll see each response as a row, with each question represented as a column. From here, if you want to save your own copy, go to the File menu in Excel, then choose the option to download or save. On desktop Excel, this is usually Save As. Pick a folder on your computer, give your file a clear name that helps you recognize which form it came from and when it was downloaded, and then save it. This ensures you've captured a snapshot of the responses at that moment in time. And that's all you need to do. You've opened your form, gone to the responses area, use the Open in Excel options to either download a copy directly or open it first and then save it from Excel. Once the file is saved, you can sort, filter, analyze, or share your responses just like any other spreadsheet.